For 2 years, I tried to make money online. Different ideas, different platforms, different strategies, and for 2 years, nothing worked financially. Then one income stream changed everything. And after that, I built another 2 to 3, and within 3 months of finding it, I had to quit my job. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what those 3 income streams are, how I built each one, and each one I recommend you to start with first, especially if you're starting from zero right now. Let's go. Hi everyone, I'm Ama, and I wanted to be clear about something before we start. I didn't build 3 income streams at once. I built them one at a time in a specific order, and each one opened the door to the next. That's the part most people miss, and it's exactly what I'm going to show you today. Before I talk about the income streams, let me tell you something important. I didn't start building income streams because I had a master plan. I started because I knew one thing: a salary was never going to give me the freedom I wanted. One income, one source, one person deciding your financial future. That's one of the most dangerous positions you can be in. I learned that the hard way when I got fired from a job even after giving my absolutely best and receiving a raise just 1 month before. That moment taught me something I will never forget. The only income you can truly rely on is the income you build yourself. So I started, and here's exactly how it went. The first income stream I built was digital products. Sold through my personal brand on Threads. Before I could sell anything, I had to learn. I didn't know how to market, how to sell, how to build an audience. So I stopped and I learned everything: sales, marketing, social media strategy, buyer behavior. And I wanted to be honest about something. I learned all of this because I knew I would eventually need these skills for my apps. But along the way, I built something I didn't expect: a really strong personal brand on Threads. I started posting on Threads every single day, and within 30 days I had thousands of followers. And within few weeks I was already making consistent sales. My first product was Threads Formula, a complete guide documenting everything I learned about building a brand on Threads. By the month 3, digital products were already generating me 30% of my total income. You don't need a huge audience to sell digital products. You need the right audience and a product that actually solves a real problem. The second income stream came naturally, almost by accident. When people started seeing my results on Threads, they wanted to work with me more closely. They didn't just want the guide, they want me. That's when I started offering services. And here's what I want you to understand: services are natural evolution of digital products. When your content is good enough, people come to you. You don't have to chase them. I have offered mentorship in the past, but today I focus on one-on-one calls. Private strategy sections where I work directly with someone on their brand or their content, their conversations. I love this income stream because of the direct impact. You see someone's business transform in real time. That's incredibly fulfilling. And by the month 3, services were contributing around 20% of my income alongside my affiliate links. And the honest warning here is that services require your time. They are not passive. So I always recommend building digital products first, because those start moving towards passive income before service do. And here's the income stream most people don't expect, and the one that surprised me the most. I am a software developer, and I have always built apps. I have tried many ideas over the years, and the one that works, I charge a monthly subscription. This is my most passive income stream. Someone subscribes once, and as long as they stay subscribed, I earn every single month. That's the power of recurring revenue. And here's what makes this income stream even more powerful. Everything I learned building my personal brand, I apply it direct to my apps. How to build a community, how to sell online, how to attract the right audience without spending a single dollar on ads. So my personal brand didn't just generate income directly, it gave me the skills and the system to grow my apps too. By the month 3, my apps were generating me around 50% of my total income. That number still amazed me. I also want to mention affiliate links because they have been a consistent extra income stream throughout everything. Tools I generally use and recommend, like StanStore or other AI tools I use every day, have affiliate programs. I mention them naturally when relevant, and every time someone signs up through my link, I earn a commission. This one requires almost zero extra work, and you're already talking about the tools you use, so you might as well get paid for it. And now YouTube is becoming its own income stream too. I'm not monetizing it yet, but my channel is already generating sales through my products and affiliate links. It's just a matter of time before the ad revenue starts as well. everything compounds. Every income stream feeds the others. Here's the biggest mistake I see people making when trying to build multiple income streams. They try to build everything at once. Don't do that. Build one income stream first, focus on it completely, make it real, make it consistent, make it work. Because an income stream takes a lot of work up front before it becomes even slightly passive. You need to give it your full energy first. Only when you see that it's actually working, that it's generating consistent income, should you start building the next one. That's exactly what I did. Digital products first, then services involved naturally, and then I had time and financial freedom to go all in on my apps. Gradually, one at a time, with patience. Be patient. Build one, make it real, then build the next one. If you are starting from zero right now and you need an income fast, my recommendation is Threads. Build your personal brand of faceless content or any niche you like it there first. Threads is still growing and organic reach is incredibly strong, and you can start seeing the real results within 30 days. And once you have that audience, the digital products, the services, everything else becomes so much easier to sell. And if you want the exact roadmap I use it, the complete step-by-step guide from zero to consistent income on Threads, I documented my entire journey inside Threads Formula. Link in the description. No guesswork needed, everything's there. So here's the recap. 3 income streams in 3 months. Digital products created with free tools sold to an audience I built it on Threads. Services, a natural evolution that happens because people trusted my work and wanted more. Apps and subscriptions, the most passive of all, powered by the skills I built through my personal brand. And the key to all of it, it's build one at a time, be patient, and let each one fund the next. The best part about online income streams is that they compound. Each one grows over time, and when you look back a year from now, you will be amazed how far the things have come. I have documented this entire journey in my free series 0 to Thousands Building from Scratch. Link in the description. If this video gave you value, hit the thumbs up, it really helps to reach more people, and subscribe to this channel because there is a lot more coming. See you in the next one. Bye!